The height of the cupboard is 4 times the height of a bookshelf. If the height of the cupboard is 3 meters and 64 centimeters, then find the height of the bookshelf. Always read the problem twice so that you can understand. This is cupboard and this is bookshelf. The height of the cupboard is 4 times that of the bookshelf. Means bookshelf is x, then cupboard is 4x. But what is given is height of the cupboard is given as 3 meters and 64 centimeters. Now you have to divide this. You have to find the height of the bookshelf. So what you have to do is you have to divide this. For dividing, convert into single measurement only. Means 300 meters it becomes 3 meters becomes 300 centimeters, and this is 64. So everything becomes 300 plus 64, 364 centimeters. Bring everything in either centimeters or in meters. So what is asked in the question? Check that first. Question centimeters are asked. So you have to bring, easy way is to bring everything in centimeters. So when you add 300 for this 3 meters and 64, 364 centimeter. Now see, cupboard is 364. What is the bookshelf then? It is 1/4. Okay. So 364 upon 4. So if I do the division, I have done it in my earlier videos, explained you the how division is done. So 4 9s and 4 1s are 91. Answer